Just me and my mullet here, but I don't know how long this vlog is going to be, but I'm going to base it off of just one portion of today, or it's basically tonight. It's almost 6 o'clock. But I wanted to actually try a recipe from a channel that I subscribe to, but they're not just a YouTube channel. I kind of see them everywhere, like on Facebook, on Instagram. I think they're called Tasty something. Hang on, let me see. Yeah, it's called Tasty. They have 10 million subscribers. That's all. But I was intrigued one night and saw that they did a video called 31 pot recipes, and I didn't even make it through all of them, to be honest. I just saw one that I thought I would possibly like, and so I'm gonna basically try that recipe tonight, and that is gonna be, this vlog is just me trying a tasty recipe. Woo! I mean, I don't think it can go too wrong because it's chicken and I know like the ingredients, so I feel like it's gonna turn out well, but I've never cooked it before, so it's gonna be kind of hard to vlog. So it just doesn't seem that interesting because I can't change up angles and do all that fun stuff. I'm sorry, but I am about to start making this dinner, so I'm gonna go get all the stuff. Okay, but first I'm gonna show you the recipe I'm trying to follow. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna try this recipe right here. Paprika chicken and rice bake. First thing I want to do is gather all of my ingredients so that I kind of have it out, have it looking at me looking at it. I don't know what that means, but I gotta go get it. Alright, so here's the final product. I love how it doesn't really look like Tasties. I mean, it kind of does, but I think their chicken had skin on it and mine is boneless and skinless, so yeah. But I think it smells good. I can see the red onion kind of poking through, and it's looking a little dry, but I put it in there for 400 for 35 minutes like it said. So now I'm going to scoop it out and taste test. Alright, let's see. Okay, the rice is delicious. It's still a little hot, but the rice is so good. Chicken is cooked all the way through. It's a great dish. I will definitely cook this again. I just wish I would have made like a side, but I just thought that the rice and the chicken would have been really filling. There's not that much color on the plate. All right, now the real taste test is with my daughter. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna sit down and kind of give you guys my final review. Overall, I think it is a fantastic recipe, one that I'm adding to my recipe book, and it takes, y'all, it takes a bomb recipe for me to put into like my list, you know, of things that I'm gonna like make all the time and things like that. I think the rice was spectacular. I just personally liked the taste. I hope I'm not talking it up too much and then you taste it and you're like, oh, this is gross, but I really love the rice. I liked the chicken, but it's not like the best chicken I've had. I think there was maybe a little too much paprika for me personally, and I think maybe the parsley is not right for me in this recipe. I'm not sure. I might alter the seasoning a little bit, but definitely try it the way that the recipe is first so that you can kind of decide how you feel about it. But the chicken was still good. The other thing I will say is I followed the instructions to the ladder, and when I pulled that out, it was getting dry. Like the chicken broth had basically cooked all the way through. There was no juices left. So you want to be really careful because you don't want something to like go up in flames in your oven. You know what I'm saying? So I'll probably add 2 cups of, no, I'll probably keep the recipe the same, but I'll probably cook it a little, not as long. Maybe instead of 35 minutes, I'll probably cook it like 30 minutes in the oven. But also on a side note, if you're wondering where I got the pot, the Dutch oven pot or whatever it's called, I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you. And that's pretty much it. That's my review. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I hope that you enjoyed. It was my first time trying a tasty recipe and I was not let down. So I'm gonna comb through their other videos and see what else I can find. And I'm really glad I just found this one because we are kind of chicken people. Don't really eat red meat that often and don't eat fish either. I'm gonna try to get into fish, but it was just nice to find like a different chicken recipe. So if you've been looking for one, this is it. And I feel like the prep of it wasn't that bad at all. And it's definitely one of the easier recipes that I've done. So it just takes a little bit longer because it has to cook in the oven. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Loxie wants to say goodnight. Say night-night to all your friends. And to their puppies and their kitties. And all their birds. And whatever else. Say night-night. Love you.